Welcome back. So yesterday we had stopped on just setting up of the React app. So today what we are going to do is we are going to import an component to it. The components are the part of the program like UI UX what it should be displayed. So I'll remove that. Now what we should do is we should create a new folder inside src called as components. After that, inside components we'll create the components which has to be used in our website. Like first we will be creating a greeting. I'll change the starting caps. Okay, greetings.js. okay, inside this greeting.js we have to write a function which will be displayed in the app.js or in the main web browser. So first let's import React. We'll type import React. I have auto filler, so it will be auto filled that you can download in your extensions. Next I will create a function named as greet. Okay, greet function. Now this function will return an HTML tag, h1 tag I'll take. Okay, it's not HTML. Okay, HTML tag. Inside that I'll write now hello Prajwal. Okay, I'll save this file. Okay, I have to export this. This should be connected to app.js, so we are export default and the function name. Now this function will be exported. Now we have to import that into app.js. We'll go to app.js. Inside that I'll remove that what we say. Okay, I'll import first. Import greet. Okay, it's already pre-filled. Greet from component.greetings. It's from that folder, src folder. From there. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll remove the content inside the div. I will call that greeting function which I created in the greeting component. Now since it is a single, like we don't have to pass anything, we'll self close that tags. After this what we'll do, we'll run. And first we have to change directory. npm start. Okay, it's running. Okay, now you can see that hello Prajwal is displayed, right? Okay, there are some few other methods also in which we can create this same output. Instead of creating a function, let's go to the greetings and create an arrow function. Arrow function, it's like we are creating a constant variable called as greet. Now this equal to parenthesis and followed by an arrow function followed by the text in HTML tags. Okay, I'll write hello from arrow function. Hello, this is arrow function. Now if I see the output, hello, this is arrow function. I have changed the function into an arrow function. Now there is, instead of export default using that, we have one more method. We can export directly the arrow function out, but make sure in the app.jsx the greet is covered in the curly braces. Now if I run this, okay, it's everything proper. If I run this, hello, this is arrow function, it is running properly. So Be updated for the next class, next tutorial. This was the basic components, arrow function and function. In the next class, we'll learn something new. Thank you.